Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to increase your virtual memory on your Windows 11 computer. This can significantly enhance your computer's performance, especially if you have multiple applications running simultaneously. Increasing your virtual memory improves your computer's performance by allowing it to handle more tasks using disk space to stimulate additional RAM. This is especially beneficial for better multitasking and can make your computer even faster if you have an SSD. To start, click on the Start menu and type Advanced System Settings. Select View Advanced System Settings from the search results. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click on Settings. In the Performance Options window, go to the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, click on Change. Next, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select the drive where Windows is installed and click on Custom Size. Now, calculate the recommended virtual memory. For the initial size, it should be 1.5 times the amount of your RAM. For example, if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, convert it to megabytes by multiplying by 1024, which equals 8,192 megabytes. Then, multiply 8,192 by 1.5 to get 12,288 megabytes for the initial size. For the maximum size, it should be 3 times the amount of your RAM. Again, if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, convert it to megabytes, which is 8,192 megabytes, and then multiply by 3 to get 24,576 megabytes for the maximum size. After entering the values, click on Set, and then click OK. Click OK again, and one more time, and restart your computer for changes to take effect. After restarting, click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to System, and then Storage. Click on Show More Categories, and then System Reserved. Here, you should see the increased virtual memory reflected. Increasing your virtual memory can make a noticeable difference in your computer's performance, especially for tasks that require a lot of memory. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.